Junior, who's eating the fishy food? Are you hungry? Feed the fishies. Where's the fishies at? Where's the fishies, Junior? Well, throw them some food. Are they going to get it? He just got it. You going to throw another one? That was a good throw. Oh, he got it fast. Oh, you're going to take a bite. Your turn. What about the fishies? What's the fishy say? What? Them are ducks. What's the duck say?
Beep, beep.
The ducks do not say beep, beep. Look, there's a big white fishy down there. Throw some more food. Junior, throw some more food down there for him. Oh, that was a good throw. Good throw. That's what a fishy says, and there he goes. He got it.